Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The Nasdaq and S&P 500 rebounded, recovering some losses as investors anticipate quarterly earnings from AI leader Nvidia, and Tesla jumped on the prospect of favorable policy changes from the incoming Trump administration. MicroStrategy, one of the world's largest public holders of Bitcoin, continued stacking BTC, even as the cryptocurrency broke new highs. MicroStrategy announced that it purchased 51,780 Bitcoin for about $4.6 billion at an average price of $88,627. Boeing will lay off more than 2,200 workers in the U.S. states of Washington and Oregon, according to latest filings posted, as part of the debt-heavy U.S. plane makers' plan to cut 17,000 jobs, or 10% of its global workforce.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The economic calendar for the coming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for positive market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.